What's up, guys? It's Brock here, founder of the 5 Hour Breathwork business, and I wanted to just give you one of my favorite strategies today, which is called the Dream 10 strategy. This is really, really life-changing, and once you grasp this will save you a ton of time from trying to market your services to everybody, and instead really hone in and focus on who those dream clients are. So the first thing you want to do is simply that. Make a list of who your top 10 dream clients would be. Examples might include a big, maybe Fortune 500 company, such as a Google or a Facebook or a Dropbox, or some type of company that has a pretty big name and credibility behind it. That might include universities, major universities in your area. That might include a super high-end luxury hotel chain. That might include a very prominent mental health organization or a nonprofit. That might include working with the people right in your city. What am I trying to say? For your city, like the city employees or whatever it is. So there's a ton of options here. What you want to think about when you're creating this is, if I landed even 2 or 3 of these top 10 dream clients, what would that do for my credibility? Because whether we like it or not, everything is based on a credibility pitch. And that's probably one of the reasons that you found me or even chose to listen to me in the beginning, because I had that list of working with some of those dream clients, such as Dropbox, such as University of Santa Barbara, different major companies. Maybe it's high profile one-on-one clients that you want to work with. So whatever it is, make that list. And then what we're going to do next is we're really going to hone our efforts and attention. And instead of being distracted by all the other opportunities that are out there and just going after shiny objects, we're going to monomaniacally focus on going after these top dream clients. So you're going to invest your time, your resources, and your energy and your focus on just these until we land a bunch of them. And you're going to be amazed at how many of them you're actually able to land if you go through this and start doing this. So obviously, where do you start? Well, you got to start by taking some action. So maybe doing just a little bit of research so that you come across as someone that understands their business. So let's take the example of Google again. Google is pretty well known out there for having a very comprehensive and robust corporate wellness program. They do a lot of really cool stuff that's out of the box. I'm sure they're already doing breathwork, but that doesn't mean that you couldn't teach breathwork in some division of that company, because it's freaking enormous, right? So you would want to figure out, okay, which divisions would I want to go in and teach? Then maybe you go on LinkedIn, maybe you research the executives within that division, and then from there you start having some conversations. Hey Jane, it's Brock. Tell me a little bit about your current breathwork program. Oh, you've only done a couple of things? Why is that? How was the experience? Just gather information and see how that goes. And then what you want to do from there is add value. Instead of come right in with your pitch, oh, would you be interested in having me come in? Say, hey, I have a guide that I've built that's my top 10 reasons why breathwork helps stressed out HR workers be able to get through their day better, or something like that. You want to craft something that's customized for them, and that's something that we can help you do in the program as well. But whatever it is, you want to add value to where when you say, hey, could I send you this guide or this free comprehensive ebook, or the 6 most common stress reducing techniques that breathwork can help with, whatever it is, you want to hone and craft that offer. So start doing that, and then from there, you want to get a hold of them like you really want to get a hold of them. So that might include social media, that might include email, that may be a quick call. It might be just a multifaceted approach. And you want to be not overbearing, but you want to be consistent, and you want to continue to try until you land that client. And you need to be prepared to probably have 6 to 10 touches until you might even get a meeting or might get them to listen to you. But in the end, this is all worth it. And if you focus and you go through and you look at that dream list every single day and take action in that direction, you're going to land a bunch of these. So I challenge you to do this. I challenge you to go through this because it's super worth it. Because once you land one or two of those, you can then go into other major credible organizations and you can land gigs like that. And last but not least, the coolest thing about this is most of these types of gigs are going to pay really, really well. You can charge a premium because they have the money and they're not like, super broke and making excuses. They have the money, they're willing to invest in their people, and they're willing to help. So whether you do this with high profile one-on-one clients or celebrities or major corporations or major nonprofits, just go for it. It's super fun. Have a blast with this. Don't take it too seriously. And most importantly, just take action.